करण जौहर ने शेयर किया कि उन्होंने अपने बेटे यश को एक बार सॉरी बोला था जब उन्होंने उनको कुछ इनसेंसिटिव बोला था और अब उनके बच्चों ने पूछना शुरू कर दिया है कि उनकी माँ कौन है। To know more, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. करण जौहर एक सिंगल पेरेंट हैं टू हिज ट्विंस यश एंड रूही और वो अक्सर सिंगल पेरेंटिंग के चैलेंजेस बताते रहते हैं और वो कैसे अपनी माँ हीरू जो कि अब 81 इयर्स की हैं उनके साथ मिलके अपने बच्चों का ख्याल रखते हैं। करण जौहर ने ओपनली बात की कि कैसे अब उनके बच्चे उनकी माँ के बारे में सवाल पूछने लग गए हैं और पूछते हैं कि वो पैदा कैसे हुए, which has made Karan seek the necessary guidance. Karan's kids were born via surrogacy in 2017. In a chat with Fayed D'Souza on her YouTube channel, Karan said, "It is a modern family, it is an unusual circumstance, so now I am also dealing with the questions about whose stomach was I born in. But Mama is not Mama really, she is my grandmother. I am going to school to the counselor to ask how do we navigate the situation and it is not easy, being a parent is never easy." करण ने ये भी बताया कि वो अपनी खुद की इनसिक्योरिटीज अपने बेटे पे प्रोजेक्ट करने लगे हैं और वो रोज कोशिश करते हैं कि वो अपने बेटे यश को कुछ इनसेंसिटिव ना बोले। He said, "When I see my son consuming sugar and I see he has put on more weight, then I am so paranoid for him. I don't want to say it to him because this is the age where I want him to live his life. I want him to be happy and joyous because he is a happy child." Karan said that he tells his son to go play cricket or football and do all the things that I didn't do. He added, "I want my kid to be an individual of his own choice, my daughter and my son both." Filmmaker shared that he actually ended up saying something insensitive to his son once, but he later apologized. फिर उन्होंने बताया कि उन्होंने यश से ऐसा क्या कह दिया था कि बाद में उनको रिग्रेट हुआ। He told that, "I said, Yash, you have put on weight. Like I said it this time. We were on a holiday and I said it, and then I went to my room and said, why did you do that? I went outside and hugged him and I said, I am really sorry, you eat what you want." Karan said that as a child, his parents would often tell him to be like other boys, but society wasn't evolved enough to accept children like him for who they are. इसके अलावा करण जौहर ने बात की थी अपने रिलेशनशिप के बारे में with wealth and money and how Dharma Productions setbacks influenced it. Founded by Karan Johar's father Yash Johar in 1979, Dharma's debut film, director Raj Khosla's Dostana 1980, featuring Amitabh Bachchan and Shatrughan Sinha and Zeenat Aman in the lead roles, was a major hit. However, Dharma struggled to replicate this success with the subsequent films. उन्होंने कहा, "I believe joy is very critical. I don't want to apologize for sending money on things that give me joy. I love shopping, it's therapeutic for me. Why should I apologize for the wealth I earned through hard work?" Well, आपको क्या लगता है करण और पैसों के रिलेशनशिप के बारे में? And do you think Karan Johar is a nice father? Do let us know your views in the comment section below, and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.